boundaries now. You're infringing the South African people's right. Huh? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Coming to South Africa and tie people like this? Do you even have a permit to be here? I'm tired. I'm tired. We are not living. This is not okay. This is not okay. Nonsense.
At some point in my life, I always feel like dying rather than to sit and see all this nonsense taking place in our beloved continent of Africa. It's so disheartening to see a Chinese man whom I think doesn't even have visa or proper license to do business in South Africa handcuffing a South African lady. Like, man, this is disheartening. This is crazy. I don't know the right word to use for me to describe this. In some countries in Africa, ladies are not even handcuffed. Not to talk of a Chinese man whom we don't know if he has papers to live in Africa, handcuffing a South African lady. For what reason? What has this lady done to you? Even if the lady has done the worst, do you have to handcuff the lady? Are you taking power in your hands? Can't you report the issue to the police? Like, this is crazy, guys. I'm so pissed off when I see videos like this. I live in China, as you all know, and believe me, the black community goes through a lot here in China. Like, they don't have a say. You cannot do anything in China. You live by their laws, you live by their rules, you live by their regulations. You cannot do anything in China. So you just have to follow their rules. But these Chinese go back there in Africa, they possess us, they colonize us, they do everything that they like according to their own will. Like, this is crazy, guys. Few months ago we saw, no, it's few weeks ago even, we saw a Chinese man trying to hit a Sierra Leonean in their own country. What the hell? And they will sit and do nothing to him. You know, I feel like crying while making this video. Some months back, we saw the same case happening in Zambia, where a Chinese man even refused a Zambian from entering in a restaurant. Like, man, what the fuck? So when we see videos like this, we just have to share them, let them go to, let the video go to our buffoon of leaders. Let them see how they are spoiling our future, how they are spoiling us, how they are making the Chinese feel like they have power over us. We cannot blame them because they have given them the right. Yeah, they have given them the right, so they can do whatsoever thing they have to do. You handcuff a lady for that matter, in which some countries, even the police don't have right to handcuff a lady. Are you really crazy? What the hell are you thinking of? Like, guys, this has really pissed me off. I didn't want to share this kind of videos. Like what happened in Sierra Leone, I did not share it. But I have looked at it again, like, we really need to be sharing this. Let people see what Africa is turning into. Let our leaders see what they are putting on us into. So, guys, this has pissed me off. If you see such videos like this online, always endeavor to share them. Let our buffoon of leaders see what they are doing and the kind of rights they are giving to the Chinese. Like, believe me, I know what we are going through in China. You see, when COVID-19 just started, how they sent Nigerians out of hotels in China, and they were frustrated in the street there in Guangzhou. They have no right, they have no say, nothing. But here in China, there in Africa, they do whatsoever they want to do. They do, in fact, they do the undoes. I'm so angry, guys. Like, I'm gonna see you in my next video. I feel like making much noise, but I'm gonna end it here. Have a nice day, guys.
I'm tired. I'm tired. We are not living. This is not okay. This is not okay. Nonsense.